Video number 3, why you should definitely use LinkedIn for your business today. Every business looks for a substantial online presence to be on the top of a fierce market. Daily, the number of businesses is continuously increasing on social media, so starting with LinkedIn makes sense for advertising. LinkedIn is an amazing social marketing tool that assists you in boosting your business presence. Here are some advantages that you can add to your business by having an online presence with LinkedIn. Amazing benefits. 1. Enhance relationships with customers. LinkedIn has the most promising social network for displaying your business when users search for you. First, you need to know the right audience you want to target. Keep them in mind and write content accordingly to allure them and grab their attention. Marketers know that LinkedIn puts a positive impact on their business and also assists you in nurturing relationships with existing and new customers. You need to be professional with your content, answer customers' questions frequently, provide some giveaways, and encourage two-way communications to know your prospects better. All these things ensure you well-built connections. 2. Build your professional network. LinkedIn allows you the chance to grow your own professional network because it shows you the degree of separation between users and your business. To expand your business professionally, you need to accept requests, join connections, and foster your network. When you create your profile, focus on the title of your page by mentioning your geographical location and adding your email signature. When you speak about your business, always include a call to action to encourage your audience to follow you. Join groups, forums, and actively participate in discussions. These things can expand your business and connections. 3. Increase exposure. Businesses can begin with a LinkedIn company page to display their products and services. This will help you expand your potential audience reach to those that are more likely to buy from you. You can add your blog, website, and other social media profiles on LinkedIn business pages. Having a LinkedIn page enhances online visibility for your brand, and more customers will be able to find your products and services easily. To get maximum exposure, you need to optimize title headlines, share content among popular channels, and motivate discussion with your clients and customers. These things will build your brand awareness and get you more and determined traffic. 4. Increase credibility. The credibility of your business is increased when LinkedIn users recommend you in their professional network by sharing the content posted on your business page, accentuating your brand's services, updating related content in your niche, newsletters, press releases, webinars, promoting achievements, asking for endorsements, etc. also enhance the reputation of your brand. Amplified credibility maximizes the return for your business, increases the traffic to your website, and improves visibility on search engine results pages. Communicating in groups and frequently replying to users' questions relating to your business will show the business expertise you have in order to connect with the right audience. 5. Gain new business. LinkedIn is one of the best business networking platforms around the world. In order to gain new business, you can add connections, follow existing customers and prospects, and join groups and discussions related to your niche so that other businesses will learn of your products or services. Businesses who like your offerings will show their interest to do business with you. Asking for recommendations is a great way to get new business and enhance the credibility of your business. Most business professionals also love to check their newsfeed on a regular basis to find businesses like them. 6. Generate leads. Building a great network with LinkedIn is attainable by optimizing your business profile with unique and informative content related to your business. LinkedIn is required to manage existing customers and to generate potential leads for established businesses. Enhancing your participation in handling questions, posting in blogs, inviting users to webinars, forums, and motivating them to subscribe to your newsletter can directly increase your website traffic and lead generation. The more traffic you get, the more chances of getting qualified leads. You can also take advantage of LinkedIn's direct ad service to advertise appropriate content among your targeted audience in order to engage them. 7. Quality business connections. Forming quality business connections is one of the most crucial advantages of LinkedIn. It is mostly occupied by progressive thinking professionals and businesses who desire to expand their business opportunities. Utilizations of the advanced search and LinkedIn groups, inviting audiences from your current customer base to connect. Using discretion when accepting invitations for better control on your LinkedIn business page and upgrading to the premium account can all assist you in creating connections with other businesses. 8. Connect with potential customers. As per the size of the company, LinkedIn is a must-have tool to attract and attain potential customers when you are running a business. You need to ensure that users are able to connect with your business. Utilizing common connections to initiate communication, creating FAQs, using other channels to connect with audiences, having a close look at your newsfeed to build warm relationships, and taking advantage of recommendations to get introduced are the prime aspects to get potential leads. You can also build a LinkedIn group to ask questions and provide answers to those questions to get potential customers. 9. Create and manage your brand reputation. In this era of social networking platforms, it is really important to build and supervise a company's status on LinkedIn's professional social network. Advertising your business within a competitive market has now become a bit easier with LinkedIn. More businesses and marketers believe that LinkedIn can add instant branding and build trust in their audience. Provide every detail of your business on your LinkedIn page, such as what you do, services, accomplishments, and what makes your business unique from your competitors. Populating your business page with keywords can enable you to get listed in prospective searches. 10. Expand your reach. LinkedIn advertising allows numerous methods to attain business goals and expand reach among prospects. Use specific filters to narrow your potential customer reach. Use sponsored stories to enhance the range of posted content and a follow button that redirects your audience to your LinkedIn page in order to get more targeted traffic. LinkedIn ads also assist you in advertising your business in order to broaden your professional network on LinkedIn. It improves SEO rankings and organic search results for your business. So whenever users search about the products or services related to your niche, your LinkedIn page and website is displayed in the search engine. Shocking facts. 2 new users join LinkedIn every second. Unique visiting members grew 16% to an average of 97 million per month. LinkedIn has a reach into 200 countries and territories. 1 out of 3 professionals on the planet has a LinkedIn profile. Out of 380 million users, 75% of new signups are from outside the U.S. Listing skills boosts your profile views by 13 times. LinkedIn profiles are 11 times more likely to be viewed if it includes a photo. LinkedIn reported 55 cents per share earnings and a 33% advanced revenue of $712 million. LinkedIn found that employees are 70% more likely to engage with the brand's company updates. 8.33% of Americans use LinkedIn while they're on the job. 13% of millennials use LinkedIn. Total number of long-form posts written on LinkedIn to date are 3 million. The number of long-form posts per week increased to more than 130,000, and there are more than 1 million unique members publishing long-form content on their sites, a scale that we believe is unprecedented in the history of professional publishing. 39% of LinkedIn users have paid premium accounts. LinkedIn reports that more than 3 million companies have created company pages. LinkedIn generates social media's highest lead conversion rate, which is 2.74% higher than Facebook at 0.77% and Twitter at 0.69%. Over 25 million profiles are viewed on LinkedIn daily. 42% of LinkedIn users update their profiles regularly. 35% of LinkedIn users access the site daily. 1 in 20 profiles belongs to recruiters. 42 million unique mobile visitors per month. This stat is up from 29 million a year before. This is a 45% increase in just 12 months. The average number of connections on LinkedIn is 930. 41% of millionaires use LinkedIn. LinkedIn has established that updates that contain links to more content get up to 45% higher follow engagement than updates without. Posting images has been shown to result in a 98% higher comment rate.